Welcome to the Bootstrap Mogul Podcast, where we bring you the grassroots tips, tricks, and stories in everything entrepreneurship, digital marketing, and personal development. I'm your host, Andres Holguin. Today, we're diving into the world of multiple income streams. We'll be discussing why they're essential, how they can benefit you, and the different types of income streams you can explore. So whether you're out for a walk or commuting to work, sit back, relax, and let's get started. So first things first, why should we even care about having multiple income streams? Well, the answer is simple: financial stability and freedom. Relying solely on one income source leaves us vulnerable to so many unexpected changes in our lives or the economy. Things like job loss, pay cuts, or changes in your industry can really throw your financial plans into disarray. And so by diversifying your income, you can build a financial safety net, which allows you to maintain your lifestyle and also meet your financial goals even when the going gets tough. So let's talk about some of the benefits of having multiple income streams. Here are just a few. First, financial security. As I just mentioned, multiple income streams provide a safety net. So if one source takes a hit, you have others to fall back on. It also gives you increased earning potential. So having several sources of income allows you to generate more money overall, which can then help you to achieve your financial goals faster. It gives you flexibility because when you have multiple income streams, you can take more risks in your career, you can try new ventures, or you could even take a break if needed without worrying so much about your financial stability. And passive income. Some income streams, they require little to no effort to maintain, and so they provide you with the opportunity to earn money while you sleep or enjoy your hobbies. Okay, so now that we understand the benefits of how and why we should have multiple income streams, I'm going to walk you through my 5-step process to stand up those multiple income streams. Are you ready? Okay, let's do it. Now, there are 3 types of income streams: passive, semi-passive, and active income streams. Passive income streams require little to no effort to maintain and manage. And some examples include things like long-term rental properties, peer-to-peer lending, dividends from stocks, interest from a savings account, or royalties earned from a past invention or creative work. Now, semi-passive income streams may require a little bit of initial setup or effort, but once they're established, they do require minimal maintenance. Examples include things like drop shipping, affiliate marketing, or creating a fixed-term membership site. And then active income streams involve consistent effort and involvement. So the amount of money you make is related to the work or hours that you put in. Examples include things like a traditional job, running a business, or freelancing. Now, if the thought of managing multiple streams of income seems overwhelming and impossible to execute, don't worry, because it can be done. If implemented and planned properly, creating and growing multiple streams of income actually will reduce your stress and worry. So when you know that you always have a backup source of income, the pressure to earn is significantly reduced. Now, by taking the first step now and focusing on one stream, you will learn the ins and outs of launching and growing a new stream of income. So going through this process will demonstrate how easy it can be, and it will instill the confidence that you need to incorporate additional streams of income into your business and into your life. So to get yourself set up as soon as possible, I highly recommend that it's best to start with a passive income stream. Launching a new passive income stream will earn you some money right away and will provide you with an early win and some valuable lessons. It's also going to give you some hands-on experience with a relatively simple and uncomplicated stream. You can then apply this newfound knowledge to creating and growing future streams of income. So, the first step in launching a new stream of income is to clarify your why. Clarifying your why will help guide your decisions and actions as you select, develop, and launch your new income stream. It can also help you to identify the types of income streams that really align with your values and goals as a whole. So, for example, if your why is to reduce risk, then investing in a passive income stream such as a rental property, maybe some sort of low content information product, a self-directed course, or even an ebook may be a good choice. Now, on the other hand, if your why is to create opportunities for growth, then a semi-passive income stream may be a better fit. Aligning your income sources with your values and goals is also important because it can help to increase your overall satisfaction and fulfillment. Now, when you're working towards something that is important to you, it can feel more meaningful and motivating. So identifying your why will also allow you to prioritize and manage your time because you're going to want to get clear on your goals to help you avoid distractions and maximize your resources. Having a big picture goal can also provide you with inspiration during challenging times. So some income streams can be difficult to launch or slow to produce results. And your why may be the very thing that keeps you going when those times get tough. So here's how to find your why. It's important that you don't confuse your why with a quantitative goal. So for example, a why isn't, I want to increase my savings by 20%. A why is, I want to increase my savings by 20% so that I can purchase my first home and start a family. Here are some more why examples. Maybe you want to renovate your home so your aging parents can move in with you. Or maybe you want to help people find their ideal career and gain job satisfaction. Or you could even want to gain financial independence so that you can live abroad for half the year. So what's your why? Here are 3 steps to identify your why and align your income stream with your overall goals and values. Now, this is a simple exercise designed to get you thinking. So first, reflect on your values. What really matters to you? What are your core values? Some examples include things like courage, authenticity, respect, freedom, and independence. For inspiration, I also like to search online for core values lists. Next, you want to assess your current sources of income, the different ways that you are currently making money. Do they align or misalign with your values and goals? And third, what are you passionate about? What do you want to achieve? Are you looking to reduce risk, increase financial stability, maybe create opportunities for growth, make a change in the world, or maybe you want to fund an important dream or achieve a specific personal goal? Now, the next step is to identify tangible skills and interests that can be leveraged for income generating opportunities. So uncovering your skills is essential to finding income streams to pursue, and it helps you to focus on areas where you have a natural aptitude to increase your chances of success. All right, so here are 3 ways to identify your skills. First is self-reflection. Take time to reflect on past accomplishments. Identify skills and talents and list past successes and think about the skills that were required to achieve them. Also, reflect on tasks that come easily to you. Next, look at past experiences. Look at past jobs, volunteer work, or even projects. What skills were necessary to be successful in these roles? Next is feedback from others. Ask friends, family, colleagues, or mentors for feedback on your strengths and areas where you excel, because this can really provide valuable perspective and uncover skills that you tend to overlook. Next, what do you love? Identifying that what you're passionate about is also very valuable. Think about what you like to read, watch, listen to, or study. Like, what accounts do you follow on social media, or what TV shows, movies, books, podcasts, YouTube channels do you love? And what do you do in your free time? Now, once you do that, you want to then assess your resources, because to maximize your profitability and success, your new income stream shouldn't strain your resources. To prevent this from happening, it's critical that you assess how much time and money you have to dedicate to this new stream of income. Taking this important step will allow you to create an income stream that's achievable and eliminate stream ideas that will take too much time or money to launch. So first, assess your time. Adding a new income stream should diversify risk and boost income. It shouldn't leave you stressed and overwhelmed. Get clear about how many hours you can reasonably dedicate to this new stream of income. Consider responsibilities in your personal life, how much time your primary source of income takes up, and whether you're willing to put in extra hours to get this new stream of income launched. Next, look at your finances. How much money are you willing or able to commit to this new stream of income? If you're operating on a limited budget, keep your new income stream simple, affordable, and something that can be launched quickly. Some examples include things like developing a low content information product like a planner or worksheets. Maybe you're publishing an ebook or creating an upsell for an existing product if you are already selling products. You can also incorporate affiliate links into 5 blog posts. And you can also monetize something that you own. For example, maybe renting tools out, office space, or even storage space. And so now that you've identified your why, skills, interests, and available resources, it's time to brainstorm ideas for your new income stream and choose one. Now, for the purpose of this episode, your first income stream will be quick and easy to implement. It may not necessarily generate significant income at first, but it will get you moving right away. So here are some key factors to consider. Passive income streams that are easy to set up, compatible with your existing business or financial goals, and require little additional marketing are a good place to start. So here are some other key factors to consider when launching a quick and easy new stream of income. That it taps into needs or interests of your current customers or your audience or people you already interact with. It produces income quickly. Maybe you can pre-sell it, right? So you can take orders first and then produce when you have enough sales. It leverages your interests and skills, and it makes use of available resources. So here are some examples of some really good passive income streams. Now, this is by no means a comprehensive list, but it will get you started. You can also search online for more passive income stream ideas. So like I mentioned, maybe self-publishing low-content information products and then selling them on Amazon. Things like planners, journals, coloring books, or journal prompt notebooks. Amazon has their specific publishing platform that they can actually print those things on demand for you and sell them through the Kindle publishing platform. And so you can definitely look that up and see, how can I do that? What kind of opportunities are there? And it's really easy to set up. Next are things like sponsor posts on social media, cross sells or upsells on existing products. Again, if you have a business, peer-to-peer lending on third-party sites, maybe producing or selling video tutorials, or creating printable worksheets on a topic that you're really passionate about. You can also sell physical products on your website or online marketplaces. And one of the other ones that's really great is creating affiliate links on blog posts. Now, the last step is to create action steps for launching your new income stream and setting a deadline for each. So first, determine specific goals for your new stream. You want to set specific quantitative goals for your new income stream. And your goals should be specific, measurable, relevant, and time-bound, also known as SMART. So for example, you could set a goal to earn 6% on your investment or establish 5 affiliate links in your blog. Now, I know I mentioned earlier about having your why not being quantitative, and that's really important, right? You want to have a broader mission than just a specific number in mind. But as you're starting to develop your new streams and set goals, you want to be, again, very specific. You want to be able to measure it. Next is to create a schedule to implement and or outsource your new stream. So developing a schedule to implement your stream will help you to stay on track and monitor your progress. So ask yourself things like, how many hours a day will I be able to dedicate to developing the stream? What is my deadline to launch? Or what steps will I need to take to make this happen? And then you want to test and validate your stream. So you want to identify any potential issues and then adjust as needed. And then gather feedback from your customers or from some sort of maybe financial advisor, someone to see, okay, what are my results? Am I getting what I'm expecting? And then how do I need to refine better to meet those needs? Okay, so here are your next steps. First, develop a schedule to launch this stream. You want to aim to go live as quickly as possible so that you can experience those results right away. And then as a result of those results, you're going to gain valuable experience and then learn from that process. All right, so now that you've gained experience launching one quick and easy passive income stream that is aligned with your goals, your skills and interests, and your resources, you've really laid the foundation to grow and create multiple streams of income. So, are you wanting to reduce the risk that comes with relying on a single source of income? Are you ready to develop and implement a plan to generate income through those streams? Because the challenge is going to be to juggle more than one stream and then integrate income sources that require more planning and maintenance. So I have something exciting to share with you in the description of this episode where you can learn more about my crash course, Income Multiplier, where you will be able to put this all into place and launch your first income stream in less than a week. And here's the best part. You can actually get it for less than $10. So I really hope to see you there in the crash course. I know it's going to offer a ton of value for you to actually implement this strategy that I shared on this episode. And until next time, I'm Andres Holguin. Thank you so much for tuning in.